to show you how you can read and look at all the commands that you're sending to your printer in real time. First thing you're going to do, come over here to Interface. If there are any commands already in there, right click, clear all text. This means you'll be seeing only the most recent ones that are popping up from your direct commands. We're going to want to come down here and make sure the XMIT is selected. Your bright green. That's it off. That's it on. We want it on. I'm going to come back to our control. Do whatever command we really want to do. Let's say we want to move in 10 in the X direction. There's our command. 10 in the X direction again. Again. Do the Y direction. Now I want to send it back home. That's everything I just told it. You have the entire history of it, and you know that's everything you just told last, I guess it was 5 clicks I just did. So make sure to clear your text so you know that it's the ones you just made, the moves you just made. This can translate to any other motion. These are just the easiest to show if they're running. Thank you for listening, and keep working with Hyrel.